Hey all. Woo! Woo! Hey all. Welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Ludington, your resident host and bartender. This cocktail channel was created to help you, the home bartender, mix up amazing cocktails that are delicious and approachable. So do us a huge favor, hit that subscribe button. Once you've done that, head on over and hit that bell notification button. That way you will not miss a single episode of the show. Today we're going to be mixing up an iconic gin cocktail, the Aviation. This is one of my favorites, and I know I say that a lot when it comes to gin cocktails because I'm a big fan of gin cocktails, but the Aviation cocktail was probably one of the first gin cocktails that I ever had. The Aviation was created somewhere in the early 1900s, and since then the core of the recipe has pretty much stayed the same, but bartenders forever have tweaked it and changed it a little bit here and a little bit there, a little more of this, a little less of that. So I want to give you my personal favorite recipe for the Aviation cocktail. So let's get started. So let's get started with the gin. I myself prefer Plymouth gin. When mixing with citrus, we're going to put in 2 ounces of Plymouth gin. Whatever your preferred gin will be just fine also. Tanqueray 10's another good option. Citrus forward gin. We're going to follow that up with a 1/2 ounce of Maraschino Liqueur. That'll work. Lastly, for the spirits, we have Creme Yvette. I like to put a 1/4 ounce into my Aviation cocktails. That's where it varies just a touch. Some people like the purple color, they want to put a 1/2 ounce, but myself, I prefer a 1/4 ounce for the taste of the cocktail. For our citrus, we have 3/4 ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And then lastly, a 1/4 ounce of simple syrup, just a little bit to round out all the edges. We're going to get a little ice in the tin, and we're going to give it a shake. You want to shake it about 8 to 10 seconds until the tin gets nice and frosty. I have a cocktail coupe prepared, but you're going to have to wait 1 second because I forgot my strainer.
75 years later.
We're going to double strain this cocktail. That's a nice pour. I have a garnish prepared. I have 1 single Luxardo cherry on a pin. I'm just going to put that right there like that. And that's my preferred Aviation cocktail. All right, now for the big test. Let's see what she tastes like. We're going to go with that. Yeah, the cocktail pin hit me in the face a little bit, but it'll be all right. Truly, though, truly, this is an amazing cocktail. It really is. This is so well balanced. You got the gin in there, but you can get a little bit of that maraschino. You can get a little bit of the floralness off the Creme Yvette. Of course, you have the lemon juice to give you the tartness. And then the simple syrup just rounds it all out. It is absolutely one of my favorite gin cocktails. We sure appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. You can find us on Facebook at SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. We are also on Instagram at SLB Drinks. But most importantly of all, please drink responsibly. See ya.